This morning at approximately 10 o'clock in the morning, we have identified a UAV approaching the Israeli airspace. We have alerted jets that escorted this UAV and then intercepted it. The three phases, namely detection, identification, and interception, were successful and were done and completed in a short time. We are not certain at this point as to the origin of this UAV. However, we are witnessing lately in the region a very big and a thriving industry for UAVs, and we are of course following those attempts closely.